In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clone a voice in your ElevenLabs account. Voice cloning is an essential tool for many creators, enabling the customization and creation of unique audio content. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to navigate the process easily and efficiently. Let's get started by opening your ElevenLabs account. Once you're logged in, the first thing you'll notice is the intuitive user interface, which makes it easy to find your way around. Now, direct your attention to the left side of the panel where you'll see a menu of options. Among these options, there's one labeled Voices. Go ahead and click on that. This section is where all the magic related to voice manipulation happens, serving as your main hub for managing and accessing the different voice tools available within ElevenLabs. After clicking on Voices, you'll be redirected to a new page. Take a moment here to familiarize yourself with the available options and settings if you haven't done so already. Located conveniently on the upper right-hand side of this page is a feature labeled Clone Voice. The strategic placement of this option ensures it's easily accessible for users who want to dive directly into voice cloning without unnecessary hassle. Go ahead and click on Clone Voice. Clicking on Clone Voice will bring up a new interface specifically designed for customizing and creating a cloned voice. This space will allow you to either upload audio samples or specify particular parameters to tailor the cloned voice to your specific needs. If this is your first time venturing into voice cloning, it's worthwhile to do a bit of exploration here. Notice the options available that allow for fine-tuning the nuances of the voice you wish to clone. Adjust these settings thoughtfully, as they will significantly influence the output, ensuring the cloned voice matches your vision and requirements. Cloning a voice can be a straightforward task, but it's also an opportunity to be creative and experimental. Spend some time experimenting with the different settings until you achieve the desired vocal characteristics. Once you've completed the cloning process, you can save your new voice, adding it to your roster of tools for future projects. This feature enhances the flexibility and diversity of the content you're able to produce, opening the door to various creative possibilities. Congratulations, you have navigated the process of voice cloning with confidence and clarity. With these steps, you have not only acquired a new skill, but also expanded your creative horizons within the ElevenLabs platform. Thank you for taking the time to learn with us today. Don't forget to explore the other features available to you. There's so much more to experiment with. Until next time, happy creating.